Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, gentlemen, how are you all?
We are fine, sir.
Okay, dears, now we are going to discuss about our upcoming today's topic, that is Digital India. And welcome to the all contestants for our this GD session. And let's see that how you are going to perform about it. So keep discussing one by one. Let's start your GD.
According to me, Digital India's campaign was launched by the Honorable Prime Minister on 1st July 2015.
According to me, Digital India program purpose to connecting rural area with high-speed internet connections.
Yes, I agree with just number 149 that the main aim of this campaign was to make the citizen digitally literate.
In my point of view, this campaign is very useful for the developing country and because it provides a many good facility in the rural area.
It is also helpful in increasing the employment rate in India.
I agree with you. We go in the paperless era of paperless work because we get documentation.
But you say I agree with you. You must say I agree with chess number in particular person. Okay.
Yes,
you can say I agree with chess number 95. I agree with chess number 241. Then carry on for the next concept. Got it?
Yes, I agree with you. Just number 235. And we go in the era of paperless work while we can get our documentation without go in any offices at our home.
Yes, I agree with just number 231. According to me, it is the main aim of Digital India to cut down the paperwork and all documents are made available.
Yes, I agree with the just number 240. The main aim of Digital India was to convert the Indian nation from developing to developed.
Yes, I agree with you. 172 candidate. But I have an observation. Digital India creates three words: first, developing and secure and stable digital infrastructure, and developing government service by digitalization and universal digital literacy.
Yes, I agree with you. Just number 103. Because the Digital India campaign is very beneficial for the rural areas people.
Yes, I agree with the just number 89. The main aim of the campaign Digital India was
We must discuss all things about the group discussion. Like as far as concerned, in my point of view, and I would like to express my views about these things. Okay, must be followed the all instructions provided by me. Yes, carry on.
as far as concerned, the Digital India campaign had made it transparency in our country.
According to me, Digital India program increase our national GDP because
should not use the word according to me. Instead of you must use as far as concerned.
Yes,
as far as concerned, and in my point of view.
Yes,
got
sir.
it?
Yes,
As far as
Yes,
concerned,
please.
the goal of this campaign was availability of high-speed internet to every citizen of India.
Yes, I agree with you. It is a big step to make India cashless and it is a big step to raise the corruption and black money.
I agree
my
with you.
point of
Just eye contact must be there. While speaking, the eye contact must be there.
It is a switch of cashless economy and it is helpful by the internet.
I agree with you. Just
and
number
mobile banking.
35. Today, before Digital India, we have to go bank and ATM to withdraw our money, but after Digital India, the UPI payments are there, so we can.
Yes, I agree with you. Just number 231 because we can see the main aim of this campaign is there to making a development in the rural area people with the high internet facility.
In my point of view, during the pandemic, only resource to help the do study and do work.
According to me, smartphone plays an important role in digitalization.
I agree with just number 241, but according to me, it also saves the tree and the national wealth of our country because.
I agree with just number 240. You must try to speak slow. Should not be like the over speaking. Okay, you must be the fluent. What exactly you want to express?
Yes, sir.
So
I agree with just number
be
240.
relaxed and speak with a fluency way. And fluency doesn't mean of a fast. Got it?
Yes, sir. I agree with you. Just number 240. It also reduces the corruption because most of the work done online.
As far as concerned, infrastructure also generates a large jobs in the country.
It is also helpful in increasing the digital literacy rate in rural areas.
Yes, I agree with just number 235 because digitalization our all data will be in the government and there is no chance of black money and corruption.
Yes, I agree with you. 240 just number. But I have observation why the digitalization promote the scheme, government scheme as well as Bharatmala, Startup India, Stand Up India, etc.
The main challenge for this campaign is that there is still a gap in the rural and the urban area.
I agree with number 241. According to me, there are many harms like some here is a chance of data loss and some hackers are taking our money and it.
Alright, that's fine. What about chest number 149 and chest number 235?
according to me, Digital India program increase our national GDP because it is accepted by many multiple countries.
Yes, I agree with you. Chest number 149 because this campaign is accepted by the multiple countries like UK, Australia, Japan, and Singapore.
All the documents like death, birth certificate, vehicle registration, and License also available on.
Yes, I agree with you. Chest number 235. The government of India tried to make all the government schemes accessible for the common citizen of India through this campaign.
Digital India is promoting cashless India program.
Yes, I agree with you. Chest number 241. Multiple countries invested their lots of money in this scheme and promoted this campaign, Digital India.
What about the expressionist concept? You must also apply the sounds and sounds good and bad. By the expressionist concept, follow the all instructions, all these things. Yes, what about chest number 240?
In my point of view, digital campaign also required a primary education that is mainly not found in the rural areas.
Yes, I agree with you. Chest number 245. But the campaign was very innovative for the country like India, for the transformation of India into a digitally empowered society.
In my point of view, by the Digital India create a job opportunity and make manufacturing and that's it.
As far as concerned, it also increase the digital knowledge of the people who belong to the rural area, and it provides a high-speed internet.
The people from rural areas who are illiterate and does not know about the government schemes, it is helpful for them.
As far as concerned about the awareness, government are held some annual Digital India summit and awards.
Yes, I agree with you. 95 Digital India has successor in many ways, but the time to time data leak problems are creating, so government should be focused on that.
Yes, the small and medium industry are struggling to developing new technology.
According to page number 231, according to me, when our country should be strong, there is cyber security system, then it will be proved a boon for our country.
In my point of view, India will reduce the corruption and black money because all work is going to be online and with transparency.
It is very useful for citizens that every citizen can suggest and any complaint due to the Narendra Modi app.
Yes, I agree with Chest number 245. Digital India was the need of our developing nation.
Yes, I agree with you. Chest number 172 because it increase the employment in our country and making improve the digital literacy.
It sounds good, chest number 85, but for the people awareness, Prime Minister started Pradhan Mantri Gramin Digital Saksharta Yojana for the in the rural area for the 6 crore households to make them literate.
Yes, in my point of view, by the digitalization, make do work easily and reduce workload.
Yes, it's fine. Just take it easy. All gentlemen, just please be relaxed. Now it was our discussion session. Now we are moving about the conclusions.
Yes,
at
sir.
last, the conclusion of this topic, and conclusion must not be over around 30 words. You can use just 1 or 2 lines for your conclusion session.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So just one by one, be seated and provide your conclusion. Yes.
In my point of view, Digital India is meant for successful when it is reaches to every citizen.
In my point of view, this campaign is very beneficial to increase the digital literacy.
Digital India program is a boon for rural area people.
Digital India is a very beneficial step towards to get the digital literacy in creating online infrastructure.
In my point of view, Digital India was the need of our developed nation, as this Digital India helped in this pandemic.
In my point of view, Digital India take an important role in our make our country cashless, and it also gives the technical knowledge of rural area people.
I would like to conclude this topic. Digital India is benefit for our developing country.
According to me, Digital India increase our national GDP and employment.
Digital India is a very innovative step for the transformation of country like India into a digital empowered country.
Digital India is necessary to develop our country.
All right, gentlemen, so it was our fruitful discussions about the Digital India. So this topic has been asked many times in Air Force group discussion and it can be repeated again. So all the best for a bright future, all the best for your upcoming group discussion, and keep practicing a lot and speaking about all this about the GD concepts. So do not forget to prepare a lot and just keep preparing the upcoming group discussion. Thanks. All right, take your time. Have a nice day.
Thank you.